All right, 12th class. Is MS Word page visible to all? All right. Uh, I have one more question, okay, which I have taken from the sample papers. Let us discuss this, then we'll go with the practical portion of MySQL. You have two tables here, cab hub and customer, right? The field name of cab hub are V code, vehicle name, make, color, capacity, charges, and customer table is who is disturbing here? And we have customer table CC code, C name, and V code. The field which is common in both the table is V code, vehicle code. Okay, that is common in two tables. Okay, these are the queries. So let us discuss one by one. Illustrate primary and alternate key in the given table, cab hub and customer. Primary key, you know, the key that uniquely identify the records in the table. Alternate key is a key which could have been primary key, but जिसको हमने बनाया नहीं. Alternate key वो है key other than the primary key. जो primary key बन सकती थी, but we have not make it as a primary key. That is alternate key. So as per the given question, cab hub में primary key और alternate key कौन सी हो सकती है? प्राइमरी की का एक फीचर तो ये है कि उसमें डुप्लीकेट नहीं आ सकती, उसमें नल वैल्यू नहीं हो सकती. सो अकॉर्डिंग टू यू, विच फील्ड कैन बी द प्राइमरी की? यस प्लीज. In the given field, which field can be the primary key? Yes, Manreet.
V code.
V code. Very good. V code can be the primary key. So A part is primary key V code. Okay. And alternate key जो प्राइमरी बन सकती है पर हमने बनाई नहीं. Alternate key. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, vehicle name.
Vehicle name. Alternate key is vehicle name. Okay. Or this was the table cab hub. Now customer table. Customer table में primary key. Yes, please. Customer table में primary key. But obvious CC code. CC code and alternate key. It can be C name. Okay. Clear? All right. Now, to display the names of all the white colored vehicles, जिन vehicles का color white है, उनके name display करवाने हैं, you are to make the SQL query. Yes, what can be the query? Who will tell? Display the name of all white colored vehicles. Who will tell? Please. These are the field names. You are to display the name of those vehicles which have white color. Yes, Abhishek.
Sir, select vehicle name from cab hub where color equal to white.
Excellent response. Very good. Select vehicle name from cab hub where color equal to white. Too good. Too nice. Okay. To display the name of vehicle, and capacity in ascending order of their sitting capacity. Yes, please. To display name and capacity in ascending order of their sitting capacity. Select vehicle name, comma, capacity from cab hub, order by capacity. All right. Now for these two commands, you have to give the output. Select, count, distinct, make from cab hub. सोच समझ के आंसर देना. पहले ब्रैकेट वाला पोर्शन देखो. Distinct, make. Distinct, I told you earlier, it removes the duplicate entries. So this is the make. Toyota, Suzuki, Mercedes, Suzuki, Tata. Suzuki is occurring twice. उसको एक ही बार काउंट करो. Toyota, Suzuki, Mercedes, Tata. ये होगी distinct. But we are to count. We are to count. So what is the answer? Yes, Mohit.
Sir, 4.
Yes, 4. 4 is the result. Because distinct make के बाद उसने count function लगाया. We are to count the distinct values. Clear? Okay. Select the maximum charges and minimum charges from cab hub. Maximum charges and minimum charges. Yes, please hurry up. +2. Again, Mohit. Yes, Mohit.
Maximum 35, minimum 12.
Maximum 35 and minimum is 12. Okay, got it? Clear to all? All right. So here I close it and I open the MySQL. Okay. So I connect with the database, okay, and I open the two tables which I have created previously. Is the table visible? All right. Now carefully see the table. There is one record where city value is null. There is one record where city value is null. Okay. When you want to view the record where any particular field is having the null value, the command is null. Select star from board 2 where city is null. Is null means if the field is having any value as null, it will check if the field is having any value as null. Okay, semicolon. Check it out. Chetan is a student whose city is having the value null. Clear? Am I clear to all? Then reverse of it, you want to display all the records except null. Select star from board 2 where city is not null. Check it. Both the commands, is null and is not null. Okay. Then the next command is, I display one more table which I have created yesterday. Stood table. ये मैंने कल बनाया था. Now carefully see this table stood. It has 3 columns: subject, fees, and roll number. Roll number column in the stood table is equal to the roll number column in the board table. Okay? बोर्ड 2 जो टेबल है उसमें भी रोल नंबर का कॉलम है और जो स्टूड टेबल है उसमें भी रोल नंबर का कॉलम है. So this field is common in between 2 tables. Today we are going to discuss Cartesian product, what you called cross join. What is Cartesian product? Cartesian product means every record of one table is multiplied with all the records of the second table. 2 टेबल्स हैं. पहले टेबल का एक एक रिकॉर्ड दूसरे टेबल के सारे रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई होगा. And Cartesian product is represented by cross join. How? See here. Select. Now roll number, if I take, roll number is in both the tables. When you want to take the field which is present in both the tables, you have to particularly specify the table name. बोर्ड 2 का रोल नंबर. ओके, एम आई क्लियर टू ऑल? कॉमा नेम कॉमा मार्क्स फ्रॉम बोर्ड 2 क्रॉस जॉइन stood. Why I have taken dot over here? Because roll number is present in both the tables. अगर आप यहां पर अकेला रोल नंबर लिखोगे ना तो MySQL will give error, ambiguous error. Ambiguous means confusion. Which roll number? Stood table का roll number के board 2 table का roll number, right? So particularly I have given the table name over here and I have taken the name and marks. Then from table 1 cross join table 2. Table 2 is stood. ये देखो, check it. More clearly you can say select board 2 dot roll number comma stood dot roll number comma name comma subject comma marks comma fees from board 2 cross join stood. ये देखो, अंकित रिकॉर्ड, पहला रिकॉर्ड अंकित का, वो सारे रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ। इंग्लिश, मैथ, साइंस, कंप्यूटर, अंकित इंग्लिश, अंकित मैथ्स, अंकित साइंस, अंकित कंप्यूटर। फिर अनूप का रिकॉर्ड सारे रिकॉर्ड्स के साथ मल्टीप्लाई हुआ। अनूप इंग्लिश, अनूप मैथ्स, अनूप साइंस, अनूप कंप्यूटर। हैव यू नोटिस द क्रॉस जॉइन? Every single record of one table get multiplied with all the records of another table. How many are clear with this command? Please hurry up. Give your feedback fast. Okay. Then is natural join. Natural join is a join where all the columns of both the tables are displayed, but the column which is common in both the table appear only once. Natural join में दोनों tables के सारे कॉलम प्रिंट होते हैं, या डिजायर्ड कॉलम जो आप चाहते हो वो प्रिंट होते हैं, but the column which is common in both the tables, it appear only once. Select roll number, comma name, comma marks, comma subject, comma fees from board to natural join stood. Check it. अब यहां पर उसने एम्बिगिटी नहीं दी। रोल नंबर बोर्ड 2 में भी था, रोल नंबर स्टूड टेबल में भी था, but database has not given any error because it has picked up roll number as common. The field which is common will be picked once. Am I clear? Select star from board to natural join stood. सारे कॉलम्स दोनों टेबल के, दोनों टेबल्स के सारे कॉलम, ये देखो बोर्ड का टेबल किधर है? दिस इज टेबल ऑफ बोर्ड, रोल नंबर, नेम, मार्क्स, ग्रेड, सिटी, दीज आर द कॉलम्स ऑफ स्टूड टेबल। सब्जेक्ट, फीस, रोल नंबर कॉमन है, वो एक ही बार आया। नेम, मार्क्स, ग्रेड, सिटी, ये हो गया बोर्ड टेबल। सब्जेक्ट एंड फीस हो गया स्टूड टेबल। So these are the two type of joins, Cartesian product and natural join, right? Am I clear to all? Select board 2 dot roll number comma stood dot roll number comma name comma subject comma fees from board 2 comma stood, where board 2 dot roll number equal to stood dot roll number. ये देखो, ये इक्वी जॉइन है। दिस इज इक्वी जॉइन to display the record of those students जिनका रोल नंबर मैच करता हो एक दूसरे के साथ, टेकिंग कॉलम फ्रॉम बोथ द टेबल्स। ओके, गॉट इट? ओके, now I open Python in front of you. Is the program visible to all? Python program visible to all? Okay. So let us start the connectivity of Python with MySQL. But I have to open MySQL also parallel. then only this connectivity program will run successfully. So I open MySQL here. Okay. Is MySQL window visible now? This is my Python window. Okay. You can connect your Python interface with MySQL in order to run some database applications. But for do so, you need to import one connector, that is mysql.connector. Okay. So as you are installing the WAMP server at your home, using the pip command will be available in the script folder of Python. आपकी जिस ड्राइव में Python इंस्टॉल्ड है ना, उस ड्राइव में जाना, Python का फोल्डर ओपन करना, वहां पे स्क्रिप्ट नाम का एक फोल्डर होगा, उसके अंदर पिप कमांड होगी. दैट पिप कमांड यू आर टू रन, तब जाके ये MySQL कनेक्टर प्रॉपरली रन करेगा. Otherwise, again and again, your system will generate error. Right? Your system will generate error again and again. So import mysql.connector in order to connect your Python with the database. Then first command, mysql.connector.connect. Using the connect function, you are to connect with your database. अगर आपका database पहले से बना हुआ है, तो आप यहां पर एक चौथा पैरामीटर पास कर दो, database, and give the name of the database to which you want to connect to. Connect function takes 4 parameters. Host, whose value is localhost. User, the value of user is root. Password, जैसे मैंने कोई पासवर्ड नहीं दिया, मेरा empty है, तो just मैंने 2 डबल कोट्स लगा दिए, empty password. If you have set some password, you have to give that password. Then database. This is optional. This parameter is optional. Okay, got it? Then using this function, ये मेरा बन गया connection object. This is called connection object. Whether you are connected with the database server or not, whether you are connected with the database server or not, in order to check that, you use isConnected function. IsConnected function is the inbuilt function that will help you to check whether you are successfully connected with the database server or not. And how to use this function? With the help of connection object. Connection object के साथ आप इसको यूज करते हो. अगर ये फंक्शन ट्रू हो गया, तो ये मैसेज प्रिंट हो जाएगा, सक्सेसफुली कनेक्टेड विद द सर्वर. सक्सेसफुली कनेक्टेड विद द सर्वर. ओके, एक बार आप डाटाबेस के साथ कनेक्ट हो गए, राइट? जैसे मैं ये सारा डिलीट करता हूं, मैं आपको शुरू से सारा करके दिखाता हूं एक बार. ओके, मैं ये डाटाबेस का नाम चेंज कर देता हूं. आई कीप द डाटाबेस नेम एकेडमिक्स. आई एम क्रिएटिंग द डाटाबेस एकेडमिक्स. अब ये देखो, कनेक्शन ऑब्जेक्ट को यूज करके कर्सर फंक्शन यूज किया और ये कर्सर ऑब्जेक्ट बनाया. C is cursor object. हमें कर्सर ऑब्जेक्ट क्यों चाहिए? You have database, you have tables in the database, and you have records in the table. आपके टेबल में रिकॉर्ड्स हैं. As and when you will put query to your table, some records will be displayed. जैसे अभी अभी आपने देखा था MySQL में, मैं जब भी कमांड देता था, क्वेरी देता था, तो कुछ रिजल्ट प्रोड्यूस होता था. Have you or have you not? Yes, 12th. The time you give query to your table, some records get print. But now you are going to run your MySQL from Python. So you need to have a control, a object that will help you to obtain the records from the table as and when you put query on the table. That control object is cursor object. और ऐसे बनता है cursor object. Connection object का नाम dot cursor function and assign this connection to a variable. ये बहुत जरूरी है. इसके बिना आपकी queries run नहीं होंगी. You have to create the cursor object. Any name you can give to your cursor object. Okay? You can give any name to your cursor object. Got it? Then, as you give command in MySQL, same command I have given here in double quotes. Create database academics and enclose your command in double quotes. जैसे आप कमांड MySQL में देते थे, पाइथन के अंदर हर कमांड को डबल कोट्स में एनक्लोज कर देना है. ओके? एंड assign the command to some variable. Assign the command to some variable. Got it? Then execute function. This function is used to execute the queries. अगर आप ये फंक्शन नहीं यूज करोगे, आपकी कमांड्स इंप्लीमेंट नहीं होनी. ये कमांड थी C1. मैंने ये कमांड बनाई और उस कमांड को एक वेरिएबल में डाल दिया और उस वेरिएबल को मैंने एग्जीक्यूट में डाल दिया. आप चाहो तो सीधी ये कमांड इस फंक्शन के अंदर भी डाल सकते हो. इफ यू डोंट वांट टू पुट द कमांड टू सम वेरिएबल, डोंट. Directly you put the command in the execute function. But what I have done, I have assigned the command to some variable and variable I have put in the execute function. How to use this execute function? This execute function is always used with the cursor object. Okay, got it? And finally I write database created successfully. अब मुझे ये फंक्शन कॉल करना है. ये मैंने फंक्शन कॉल कर लिया क्योंकि मैंने फंक्शन के अंदर क्वेश्चन किया है. राइट? ये देखो मेरा डाटाबेस क्रिएट हो गया. माय डाटाबेस गॉट क्रिएटेड. अगर आपको क्रॉस चेक करना है ना, ये अगर आपको ये क्रॉस चेक करना है तो आप ये MySQL दिख रहा है? यस क्लास. सिर्फ अभिषेक का रिस्पॉन्स आता है हमेशा, बाकी सारे आई थिंक दे आर स्लीपिंग इन द क्लास. कनेक्ट. वेट, आई शो डाटाबेसेस. वो देखो एकेडमिक्स, आपका डाटाबेस क्रिएट हो गया विद द नेम एकेडमिक्स. चेक किया? गॉट इट?